Are you looking for the best utility shelves in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best utility shelves 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. If you're looking to gain a little extra space in a closet or along an unused wall, the closet-made adjustable Etagere wall and door rack gives you the storage space you need. The storage shelf offers a mix of wire shelving and baskets that hold the items on the shelf, while keeping it lightweight enough to easily hang over a door. The spacing gaps between the wires in the baskets and on the shelves is small, which prevents items from falling through, making it perfect to hang on the door inside a pantry. Some Amazon buyers report having good success with this shelf inside a bathroom closet door, too. You can adjust the positioning of the individual shelves, allowing for storage of some taller items. One Amazon customer loved the closet-made shelf for storing light and small items from the pantry. The shelf opens up the larger pantry shelves to hold heavier items. However, this reviewer, along with several others, said assembly was tricky. Some Amazon reviewers reported that the shelving would not stay together once it was holding items. In response to the problem, one Amazon buyer suggested using sturdy plastic zip ties to secure the shelving to avoid this problem. 2 versions of hanging shelving are available, one that's 12 inches wide and one that's 18 inches wide. Both shelf versions are 77 inches tall and 5.2 inches in depth. All mounting hardware is included. Number 4. If you're just looking for a set of basic shelves and don't want to spend much money, this budget-friendly unit could be a great choice. No tools are required to put it together, and since it's incredibly lightweight, just 12.8 pounds, it won't take much effort to assemble and lift upright. This low weight is probably the reason for its relatively low weight capacity of 100 pounds per shelf, but if you're not going to be storing anything especially heavy, this might not be an issue. It's constructed of a durable resin, so you won't have to worry about it rusting or denting, and should be simple to clean. Number 3. This overhead shelf is strong enough to hold up to 600 pounds of weight, and can provide up to 105 cubic feet of space. Its large, 48 by 96 inch shelf is perfect for fitting awkward-shaped items that wouldn't fit on a normal shelving, and the height can even be adjusted to accommodate vehicles, garage doors, or other tall items below. Although ceiling units can be intimidating to secure, this model provides a surprising amount of installation instructions, including processes for mounting to different ceiling joist configurations. You'll still need at least a few extra sets of hands to help out though, so keep that in mind. Number 2. Teachers and group organizers looking to add more storage space to their classroom or workshop should go with this sturdily constructed steel shelving unit. Available at a great price, this piece is designed with 5 tires and has a 1,500-pound maximum holding capacity. Equipped with adjustable leveling feet and smooth rolling caster wheels, including 2 that lock, you can place this piece anywhere with ease. The shelves are height adjustable by 1-inch increments, and the structure doesn't require any tools for assembly. Number 1. Combining a clean look with adjustable 3, 4 or 5 shelf designs, the heavy-duty shelving units in black or chrome offer reliable, stable storage. A useful addition to any workshop, kitchen or storage area, each steel wire shelf has the capacity to securely support heavy loads. Fully adjustable, you can move each shelf up or down in 1-inch increments by clipping the black, plastic sleeves around the metal posts. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.